Hello and welcome to our channel where we bring you the latest news and updates on clean energy and electric vehicles. Today, we're talking about a groundbreaking discovery that has the potential to change India's energy landscape. The Indian government has announced the discovery of 5.9 million tons of lithium reserves in the Reasi district of the Jammu and Kashmir region. Lithium is a rare mineral that is highly reactive, lightweight, and can store large amounts of energy in a compact space. It's the ideal material for use in batteries, and the demand for lithium has been growing globally as countries race to reduce carbon emissions and switch to clean energy. Lithium is the only reliable option for producing batteries for electric vehicles because of its high density and ability to retain its charge for a long time. This new discovery is a major boost to India's plans to establish itself as a dominant player in the global electric vehicle market. But how will this discovery help India become self-reliant, as promoted by the Narendra Modi government's slogan, Atmanirbhar? Let's take a closer look. According to Mines Secretary Vivek Bharadwaj, the discovery of lithium reserves in India will aid the domestic production of batteries for a number of devices, including mobile phones and solar panels. The Indian government has set up a task force to explore opportunities for domestic lithium production and has reoriented its exploration measures towards critical and strategic minerals. Siddharth Goel, a senior policy advisor at the International Institute for Sustainable Development, says that this discovery is a positive step for India's energy security and EV manufacturing ambitions, but it's going to be a long process before the newfound lithium could be in use. However, experts caution that mining in an eco-sensitive Himalayan region like Jammu and Kashmir comes with its own challenges. Dr. Parveen Kumar, a senior manager in electric mobility at World Resources Institute, WRI, India, says the process of mining it further will need a balanced analysis that takes into account the ecological sensitivities of the region. R.T. Khosla, director at Delhi-based research organization Climate Trends, says that the recent discovery of lithium is encouraging, but the reserves are categorized as being in the inferred category, meaning the quality of the mineral cannot be ascertained at this point. RT says there is a need for a preliminary finding via actual extraction to check its feasibility and convert this estimated resource to the exploitable category. The global demand for lithium is expected to increase by 761% from 2020 to 2030, and India's newfound reserves could provide a major boost to the country's plans to establish itself as a dominant player in the global electric vehicle market. In conclusion, the discovery of lithium reserves in India is a positive step for the country's energy security and EV manufacturing ambitions. However, there is still a long way to go before lithium can be put into use, and the process will need to take into account the environmental costs of excavation. Thank you for watching.